In the previous video, we have seen how to copy an array into another array using object.clone method. So this is completed. In this video, we will see how to copy an array into another array using another method, which is System.arraycopy. So we have already seen this method object.clone. In this video, we will see the method System.arraycopy. So this is the method we will see. This method takes 5 arguments. That means System.arraycopy. This method will take 5 arguments. So the first argument is the source array. That means, let's say I have created 2 arrays. One array is, I have created a string array, which is string ARR1 equals to Subbu, Selenium, Java, tutorials. So this is the first array, and the second array is string ARR2 equals to new string of 4. So this is the second array. Now I want to copy the elements of array 1 ARR1 into ARR2. So I will use the method System.arraycopy, and it takes 5 arguments, and the first argument is the source array. So in this case, this is ARR1. Now the second argument is the index of this array ARR1, that means the source array from where the copying should start. That means in this array, this is index 0, and this is index 1, and this is index 2, and this is index 3. Let's say I want to copy the elements of the array from Selenium. So the second argument I have to give it as 1. That means the second argument is index of the source array from where the copying should start. Now the third argument is destination array. So in this case, it is ARR2, and the next one is the fourth argument. The fourth argument is index of the destination array from where the elements should be copied to. Let's say I want to start it from here, but in this array I don't want to start it. The copying should start from 0. I want the copying should start from number second. That means the third element. So this will become 2 in that case. If I want the elements to be copied starts from the index 2, that means from the third element, then the fourth parameter becomes 2. Now the fifth argument, number of elements to be copied. So this is the fifth argument. Let's say I want to copy only these 2 elements, okay, Selenium and Java. In that case, it becomes 2, the number of elements that should be copied. Let's see this one more time. Copying the elements of an array into another array. We have already seen this object.clone method in the previous video. In this video, we will see another method another method which is System.arraycopy. Let's say I want to copy the elements of the array ARR1 into ARR2. This System.arraycopy takes 5 arguments. The first argument is the source array. In this case, it is ARR1. The second argument is the index in the source array from where the copying should start. Let's say I want the copying should start from the second element. Then this index will become 1. If I want the copying should start from the third element, then the index will become 2, like this. The third argument is the destination array. In our case, it is ARR2. The fourth argument is index in the destination array from where the elements should be copied to. Let's say in the destination array, I don't want the copying to be started from 0th index. That means the first element. I want the copying to be started from the third element. So in that case, the index will become 2. The fifth argument is the number of elements to be copied. Let's say I want to copy only Selenium and Java. Then I can mention that the number of elements to be copied are 2. So this is how the System.arraycopy method works. Let's see an example for this one. I am creating a new class here. So I will say array copy 2 and I am using the main method. Finish. And what I will do here is I will create a string array first. So string ARR1 equals to Subbu, Selenium, Java, tutorials. So this is the first array and the second array is string ARR2 equals to new string of 4. So I have declared and instantiated the second array. Now I want to copy the elements of ARR1 into ARR2 using System.arraycopy method. So for this one, what I have to do is System.arraycopy and it takes 5 arguments. The first argument is the source. So in our case, it is ARR1. The second argument is index from where the copying should start. Let's copy all the elements first. So I am giving the index from where the copying should start is 0. That means it should start from Subbu onwards. And the third one is destination array, which is ARR2. And the fourth argument is index from where the element should be copied to. So I want the copying to be done from the 0th index. That means in array 2 also the copying should be done from the 0th index. That means the first element. And the number of elements that should be copied are 4. That means I am copying all the elements of this one into this array. Now let's print the elements of this array. So I will use a for each loop for string name and ARR2, and then I will say system.out.println name. So let's print the elements of array 2. Run as Java application, and you can see that it is printing Subbu, Selenium, Java, tutorials. So this is tutorials. Okay, now let's play with this function, with this method System.arraycopy. So the first one is the source array and the third one is destination array. So now the second argument is the index from where the copying should start. So in this method we are saying that the copying should start from the 0th index. Let's take it from the first index. So I will create another string array here, which is ARR3, and the destination array is ARR3, and I am printing the values of ARR3. So in this case, the copying should start from the first index. That means it should start from the Selenium onwards, and then the copying should be done from the 0th index in the second array, which is ARR 3, and the number of elements to be copied are 3. Okay. So now let's run this one and see what happens in this case. Run as Java application, and you can see that the values are Selenium, Java, tutorials, and the fourth one is null, because we are copying it from Selenium onwards and we are copying only 3 elements. But here we have created that the string, the array is of length 4, so the fourth element is null. Okay, so you can play with this System.arraycopy method and see, like, and you can get a good experience on this method. In this video, we have seen how to copy the elements of one array into another array using System.arraycopy method. If you want to download the document for this one, you can go to my repository at github.com/subboostech and then go to Selenium-Java-tutorials. This particular document starts with numbering 20 to I. So this is the document here, which is Java arrays copying an array using System.arraycopy, and you can download this document. In the next video, we will see copying an array using arrays.copyof method.